Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've missed you. It's been a minute. This video is about a quick update of where I've been and what I'm up to, and a story of how I got played. Like, I got played really bad. A good one. You wouldn't even believe. I know at the end of this video you'll be laughing at me. So guys, I haven't YouTubed, disappeared for a moment, but not for long. But sometimes it's good to disappear so people ask about you, right? Sometimes they just want like attention, yeah, like Vicke, you go happy, yeah, and that really motivates me. But I'm really sorry, guys. Try to be consistent as possible. So moving forward, guys. First of all, I feel so gangster today. Look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me. So I got played really bad. Who has ever done online shopping? I am an online seller, and never have I ever thought about being played on online. So I was on Facebook and I really needed a wig. So I came across this post, this Kilimani post. So we are selling this, but that particular person was selling a wig. So and it was 500 shillings, and the photo looked like really nice, like for 500 bob. Although she had mentioned that it's a crochet one and it's a crochet one. Yeah, I didn't expect it to be all that. Yeah, first of all, because it is 500 shillings. I ordered the wig and I wasn't the person who like received it. I sent someone else to receive it for me, so I wasn't there when the delivery was being done. I got played proper. If you see this thing, I'm not even sure I want to show you. You laugh at me. It's so ugly, and I don't know if I'll try put it on so you guys can see it. It's so ugly. Oh my god, let me remove this and let's have a moment. Guys, what is this? It is less than 24 hours since I got it, and it looks like a bush. Chip is expensive. Akioneni nilichezwa mi hata hiyo 500 ningeenda ninunue ice cream. Ati look at the inside, guys. Oh my god, wamechukua tu hizi amechukua sijui hata nini akashonelea tu juu surely isha tangle. It's not even a day old. It is about 16 hours old. When I put it on, hata ndio mtacheka zaidi. Hey, I'll share the post so that you don't get played like me. The guys played. You're so lucky. You're so lucky. Nimewafanyia experiment with my 500 shillings. Clearly, I haven't moved on. And I don't know if I'll move on anytime soon. What is this? Like, for real? Okay, let me try put it on. Maybe najishuku. Okay, the only good thing that came with this wig is a wig cap that I put on under my head scarf. Let me show you guys. Let's see how actually I just tried it kidogo last night, so let's try it better with you guys. Hata sijui inaanzia wapi inaishia wapi, mbele sijui wapi. Kusave imesha imekuwa ngumu. This scam is bigger than ile ya sugar, my friend. Sasa ishwe nini like a dust. Hata really ningetoa sadaka. Actually, what is this? Mimi hata ningetolea Mungu sadaka actually. Akigoni nini. Hii is a scam bana. Hebu tutoe kushika hivi na nyuma. Hey, surely. Yeah. Sasa hii ni nini surely? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me try styles. It's not working. Hey, what is this? Okay, oh God, what is this? What did I get myself into? I look like a monkey. Actually, mbona watu wanapenda kuchezea watu hivyo akili. I wish tu ni mimi ningekuwa kwa kikuwa delivered. What is this? Yeah. Guys, look. What is this? Okay, this is a scam. How can someone do this? Hata sile tajengeneze mzuri nauza 1000. Actually, what do you waste people's money? Hey, ni Kenya kuna corruption kila mahali. Surely, what is this? Cheap is expensive. Mimi hata ili ninge save pesa. Itoshe 2000, I would have gotten a better synthetic wig. By what are these? But for lesson learned. Next time I try to buy something online, I'll be very, very, very careful. But I've bought stuff online. But this is, I was played. Okay guys, I've missed you so much. There's too much coming. Really, really, really good stuff. Well, let me see how I look like with this on. Bougie. Your bitch is bad. Bougie. Huh? It's ugly. Don't laugh at me. I'm seeing checking. Okay, guys, I have a lot lined up for you guys, so subscribe, yeah, and let's have fun. Comment on the comment section. Yeah, let's talk. And next time I feel like I want to talk about like real stuff, I want to talk about relationships. So yeah, you better get tuned, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share this video, share to your friends. But we need to grow. By the way, we've had amazing growth, but we need more. We need like to grow more. We need to keep growing, yeah, so we can keep doing great stuff and talking and having a lot of fun. Okay guys, so yeah, moving forward, expect a lot of good stuff from me. Okay, that's it for today guys. I got played. A good one, you see, ilichezwa man. Nisikukuwa najua kama bado at my age there's chezwa online, and nilicheza and I got for it and nilipatikana. So guys, bye. I wanted to make this as quick as possible. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe, and as I've said, always let's interact on the comment section. Yeah, see you in my next video guys. Bye. Subscribe.